CFP Events is an international research and event organiser focusing in the area of financial risk management. The Risk and Regulation USA Summit is an annual event focusing on the areas of risk, regulation, compliance. This year's event has been very successful. We've had a great number of sponsors and exhibitors. We've had attendees from across the whole of the Americas. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of CFP Events, welcome to Risk Regulation USA 2013.
For many of you, compliance risk is just one sort of risk, and implementation progress around the world is something you don't need to be concerned about day to day. Nevertheless, I think that it provides context for your discussions over the next 2 days, because what we do in Basel today has a way of coming to affect what happens in New York tomorrow.
Of 2-3 days to address some of the critical challenges being faced in the industry. Capital management, liquidity risk, living wills, Basel, Dodd-Frank and all the other wonderful and exciting risk regulation challenges that a lot of the people in the industry are faced with.
I will tell you that CFP nailed it in terms of the agenda topics as well as the speakers.
So last year was great, this year even better.
The other presenters, not me, but some of the other presenters of this caliber is really excellent. And I think already, even though I work in the field all the time, you're already starting to see some insights that you're gaining.
I think the good thing about this conference is you get representatives of all those players that are just speaking to one another in candid ways.
Something like this allows us to have a conversation in an intimate setting.
There's been some very interesting presentations, and it's been educational for us, I think, in some respects, hearing what people are concerned about in the market, what they're talking about, and very beneficial to meet both with partners and potential clients.
Opportunity to meet with peers and really understand what else is going on instead of your four walls, basically.
An organization or a conference venue like CFP was valuable over the last 24 hours in the sense that it was a very intimate group of people at a certain level that we were able to interact with, share insights, understand what's going on in the market.
So events like this really help us connect with new people in new firms and also in the firms we already work with, as I say, because they're so huge.
This time around has been really great, even better than October, because there's more people here, they're from more relevant firms. The subject matter for us is far more relevant in the risk and regulation space. I mean, that's the whole title of the event, risk and regulation. It's just been, it's felt more exciting this time around.
One of the challenges that you run into in today's day and age in risk management is that you're running as quickly as you can to do everything that you need to do.
In the end, we're all after the same thing, which is a healthy, vibrant, but safe financial services industry.
So in terms of feedback, I would just say that everyone I've connected with had very positive things to say.
So far, I actually, only positive feedback at this point.
If there is another conference in the future, I definitely will recommend that.
So if you wanted to know more about CFP Events, go to www.cfp-events.com.